this was probably a bad idea. What I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to talk about what I'm trying to do with this in a minute, but yeah, I gotta get myself out of here. Okay, so one of my favorite things to do, well, one of my favorite things over the years that I still like to do, and I used to do more than I do now anyway, is to take a spinning rod with 8-pound fluorocarbon. This is Sunline Sniper, and fish a little crankbait. This is a Rapala DT-4, and you will see that it is the, what is it, the pumpkin seed color. Of course, it does dive to 4 feet, and I do have a 6'10" Shimano Curado spinning rod. It is a medium power fast action. Like I said, 3000 size spinning reel, 8-pound fluorocarbon, and I mean, what's cool is the spinning rod, as you can see, will cast these little baits really far. A spinning rod is awesome for live bait fishing, drop shots, finesse. You can use it for lures as well, but I just like these little crankbaits because it's fun. If you have your drag set right and you get a bite, I mean, you're gonna enjoy the fight, whole bunch of stuff. I mean, a spinning rod is very versatile, and even though I do love conventional casting and just any casting outfit, a spinning rod will always be a part of my arsenal. So, I mean, basically I'm just fishing the back of this bridge, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the front and I'm just gonna kind of work this crankbait. You can see that the current is going fast. I mean, it's fast. It's not the fastest I've ever seen, but it's not the slowest. So I'm just kind of, what I'm doing is I'm just kind of fan casting as I go. Started this way, going this way, and I'm going to work my way to the other side of the bridge. Like I said, I'm going to fish this, and I'm also going to tie on a tube, probably a Strike King or a extreme bass tackle tube. But anyway, make a couple more casts, go to the other side. I already said that 10 times. Maybe we can catch a fish. Then that way, when I get on the other side, I can take this crankbait and I can really throw it in there. So yeah. Let's go up to this rock right here. Wasn't the cast I wanted. You know, another thing too that I'll do with these setups, with these light setups, these spinning rods and these light lures, is sometimes, even though I need to be fishing one thing, or I think one thing will be catching fish, sometimes I'll just take a spinning rod with a moving bait or whatever, a Ned rig, a drop shot, and I'll just fish it because I feel like it. It's just fun to change it up once in a while. Man, I need to get one further under there. Got him. And that's a smallie. Swiped at it. Oh, no you don't. That's a decent fish. Well, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get this bait out of his mouth. Yeah, the drag set perfect too. Tail's a little dirty, but look at that. Here, give him some water, wipe his tail. It's a rigor mortis. Look at that smallmouth. That's actually my first smallmouth of the year. Fat fish for sure, nothing huge, but nice. Got him. That's a good fish. That's probably, I bet you, that might be a pike. That's a pike. Oh yeah, that is a pike. Hope he didn't ruin my bait. Doesn't look too bad. Looks can be deceiving. Good thing I got a pair of grippers and the pliers. I hate getting fish all dirty, so what I'm gonna do is There we go. Hey man, smallmouth bass and a pike. That's totally a northern thing, right? That's awesome. Gotta take a look at this bait, see if it's torn up. Nope, still seems to be pretty good. Had the drag set right. See what I'm saying about fishing the spinning rod with light baits? You set that drag right, you get some smallies and some pike. Gonna have a whole lot of fun. I've only caught 2 fish, but I mean, that's definitely a video. Well, I definitely didn't expect that, but hey, get this little crankbait cut off. I made some more casts with it. I didn't catch any, but what I'm gonna do, that's really loud. What I'm gonna do is, I'll show you guys. The video is actually probably gonna end here. I'm gonna put this little crankbait back in, put the DT-4 right next to the DT-6, and how do I wanna end? That's how I want to end. Take this little tube. It's a extreme bass tackle tube. It's a little, what do you call it? Canadian Mist. It's a 4-inch tube. I'll probably fish that. And yeah, I'll take it. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys. Maybe later, next time? Yeah.